course, didn't even know how to buy a building the first time, which I ended up doing. But then each step is a journey. So I think what happens is you start off by one step and then two, and your circle gets bigger. The people start coming out of the woodwork. They start bringing you deals, and you start meeting lenders, and you start meeting all these things, and it's confusing. And there's a lot of people giving you lots of ideas. And I do believe that you should go very slowly. You should always go very slowly and very methodically. You should never just jump in because you watch something or read something. And I always believe that you should know how to run it. In other words, if you can't run a business or you can't operate a property, then somebody else is going to have to do that for you. And you're not even going to know if they're doing it well or not so well, except for, of course, some of the most obvious things like I'm not cash flowing and I have a vacancy. Like those are obviously easy. But I'm talking about all the details, the hundreds of details that are included, the nuances and all the little things that you can do to move the needle on any deal to make it cash flow. And there's a lot of them, by the way. And over the years of managing lots of people's properties as a fee management company, I was able to experiment and get lots of experience from folks on deals that they would bring me, because at the end of the day, if you send them money, of course they're happy.